Imagine you worked all year, saved $10,000, and your bank rewarded you with 43 cents. That's not a joke. That is the actual reality for millions of Americans parking their money at big traditional banks right now. But here's what the bank doesn't want you to know. There are accounts paying you 400 times more than that, and they're completely safe, FDIC insured, and you can open one in under 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to move your money and how much you're losing every single day you don't. Let's talk about what's actually happening to your savings right now. The biggest banks in America, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, are currently paying their regular savings account customers between 0.01% and 0.02% APY. That's the annual percentage yield, the interest you earn in a full year. On $10,000 sitting in a Chase savings account, you're earning about $1 per year in interest. Meanwhile, inflation has been running between 3 and 4%. That means while your money sits there earning almost nothing, it's actually losing purchasing power every single month. Your bank is not your friend. It is a business. And right now, it is quietly using your money to make itself rich while handing you pennies. So what's the alternative? It's called a high yield savings account, or HYSA, and it works exactly like a regular savings account, except it pays you dramatically more interest. We're talking 4% to 5.5% APY at the best online banks. Let's run the numbers side by side. $10,000 at a traditional bank earning 0.01% gives you $1 a year. That same $10,000 in a high yield savings account earning 4.75% gives you $475 in the first year alone. And after 5 years with compounding, your balance grows to over $12,600. That's a difference of $2,600 just from switching where your savings sit. You didn't invest it. You didn't take any risk. You literally just moved it to a better account. Now you might be wondering, why can online banks afford to pay so much more? Are they risky? Is there a catch? Great question. Here's the simple answer. No branches, no overhead. A traditional bank pays for thousands of physical locations, armies of tellers, security guards, and marble lobbies across the country. That is enormously expensive. And those costs eat into what they can pay you. Online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, SoFi, Discover, and American Express operate almost entirely digitally. Their overhead is a fraction of a traditional bank's. So they pass those savings directly to you in the form of higher interest rates. And yes, these are all FDIC, insured up to $250,000. Your money is protected the same way it is at Chase or Bank of America. The federal government guarantees it. Now, before you run and open one, here are a few honest things you should know. Number one, rates are variable. Unlike a CD, high-yield savings account rates can change. When the Federal Reserve adjusts interest rates, HYSA rates follow. But even when rates drop, online banks historically still pay far more than traditional banks. Number two, these accounts are best for your emergency fund or short-term savings. The money you need accessible but won't touch for months. For long-term wealth building, you still want investments in index funds or retirement accounts. Number three, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. This is not a checking account. Keep your daily spending money at your regular bank and use your high-yield savings account as your high-earning holding account. Think of it like a 2-account system. Your checking account is your wallet. Your high-yield savings account is your safe, except this safe pays you to use it. Opening a high-yield savings account is genuinely one of the simplest financial moves you can make. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Go to the website of any top-rated HYSA, Ally, Marcus, SoFi, or Discover. Step 2. Click Open Account. You'll fill out basic info, your name, address, social security number, and email. It takes about 5 minutes. Step 3. Link your existing bank account for the initial transfer. There's no minimum deposit required at most of these banks. Step 4. Transfer your emergency fund or savings over. That's it. Your money starts earning immediately. Most people get approved the same day. There are no fees to open, no monthly fees at the best HYSAs, and no minimum balance requirements. Now, let me leave you with one final number. If you have $20,000 sitting in a traditional savings account earning 0.01%, you're making $2 a year. $2? That same $20,000 in a 4.75% high yield savings account earns $950 in year one. In 5 years, with compounding, that's over $5,200 in interest. Money you earned for doing absolutely nothing. $5,200 just by switching. The only question is, how long are you willing to let your bank steal from you in slow motion? Drop a comment below with how much you currently have in savings, and I'll calculate exactly how much you're losing every year. The link to the best current high yield savings account rates is in the description, updated monthly. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps other people find this information too. I'll see you in the next one.